Now, we've established you took part in a police lineup. Was a particular officer in charge of that lineup?
Frank Cooper.
And had you had any prior dealings with that officer before the lineup?
What do you mean?
Did you socialize with Frank Cooper before the lineup?
Yes.
In other words, a personal friend handled the police lineup. Is that correct?
Yes, but what difference would that make?
Why don't you tell us?
Objection, Your Honor.
Withdrawn. Now, Miss Bloom, what happened after you were led into the lineup room?
They asked me if I saw the man who did it, and I picked Roy.
They or Frank Cooper, your friend?
Frank Cooper.
Did Frank Cooper seem hopeful that you'd be able to identify your attacker out of the lineup?
Yes, because Roy was there.
Did Frank Cooper say that? Did Frank Cooper say Roy Meacham, your attacker, was there?
He knew Roy did it. Everybody knew.
Everybody?
Your Honor, please.
That was a full 20 seconds. You deliberated 6 times that long, for 2 minutes, before pulling Roy Meacham out of a lineup.
I wanted to be sure.
In other words, you wanted to be sure Roy Meacham was your attacker.
Yes, but...
Objection, Your Honor.
Overruled, Mr. Mahler. I'll allow this line of questioning.
You want to be sure you had the right man, yes or no?
Yes.
Because you weren't sure, were you?
I was sure.
Later. But at first you were struggling. You were remembering what Michelle Bauer said. You were remembering what Jesse Blues said. And then you heard your own conscience. Isn't that right?
No, my own conscience.
You looked at Roy Meacham, and the good part of you, the honest part of you, the religious part of you, didn't want to be responsible for sending an innocent man to jail. Isn't that right?
No.
No matter what your friends said.
No, it doesn't matter what anybody says.
You did want to send an innocent man to jail?
No,
So you deliberated a full 2 minutes because you didn't want to be responsible for sending an innocent man to jail. Isn't that right, Miss Bloom?
Yes, but... No, I didn't... No, I didn't mean it!
Leave her alone!
Look, George, I don't have time to talk corporate politics. I want you to solve this problem with Tammy, all right? Look, I know it's not going to be easy. Just do it. Do you understand? Okay.
Who was that?
Well, what is this?
Well, I'll tell you if you tell me.
Well, that was, my lawyer, George.
What did he have to say?
Well, he said things are moving forward.
Good. That's good. And that is great.
What are you doing?
You know,
Tammy?
when you told me
Yes.
that you were going to get Tammy back, you made me the happiest woman in the world.
Really?
And now I intend to reciprocate.
Josh, it's Cassie. I know I've called you a couple times, but I really need to know what happened with Alan. I'm still at the courthouse. I guess I'll call you back.
Cassie, did you reach Josh?
No.
Oh, gosh, I hope he didn't shoot anybody.
You didn't do that.
I guess I forgot to smile when I said it. Josh can handle Alan Spaulding with his eyes sewn shut.
It's not Alan I'm worried about, it's Annie. That woman is capable of anything.
Oh, you're right. I guess I should have said I hope Josh doesn't get shot. Cassie, come on. Nothing's going to happen to Tammy.
I just don't feel comfortable with her being with a sitter.
Well, if you feel that strongly about it.
Would you mind?
No.
I know that you want to be here for Abigail, but I just really feel like something strange might happen.
Strange.
I just really need to be with Tammy now. I'm sorry, Reva.
It's okay.
Okay.
And with typical flair, defense attorney Ben Warren staged a moment of silence which lasted a full 20 seconds. He then informed the alleged victim that she had taken 6 times as long to point out the suspect, Roy Meacham, during a police lineup that was orchestrated by her personal friend, Detective Frank Cooper. Warren then went on to imply that the woman was, what are you doing? Mother, I'm in the middle of something here.
I saw your broadcast. It was disgusting, Dinah.
I am trying to do my job.
No, you are making a mockery out of another woman's pain.
Rick, Sarge, he's still on the stand.
Just let me go. Just let me go.
Take your seat or I'll be forced to remove you from the court. That's right, Rick. You know he's right. Come on, Rick.
Jesse. Yeah. What is it? Give me a gun.